Hello everyone. My name is Shreya Shaha. I'm a science student, and I'm also a student of EFA English Foundation Academy. Good afternoon, everyone. I'll be talking about a very interesting topic. As I've just finished reading a book, The Secret, written by Rhonda Byrne, an Australian writer, and there I found very interesting topic, the scientific proven topic, law of attraction. We all heard about it on social media. We know what it is. So, what is law of attraction? Let me start the first point, that what you think. This book says that what you think, what you choose to think, and what you desire, it will be given by universe. It means that if you want something very badly, let's talk about you want some job and you want it badly, you need it, and you are constantly thinking about this day and night. This book says that the universe or God will arrange the situation to make this happen. She said that we are powerful magnets. Like attract like. It means if you think negative thoughts and you make it dominant thought means constantly thinking. Your subconscious mind thinks that you can't do it, and you are still believing it. Everyone say you can't do it, but you are believing in your subconscious mind. It will be there and it will be given by universe. But if you think that there's no chance of getting job, you know that you are not capable of doing this, but you are just constantly thinking and you make this dominant thought, yes, okay, let me try and I will make it. I know I can, this is not for me, but I will make it. And you make this thought very dominant. You want it badly. And this will happen. It's magic, it's miracle. It happens with many people. This is the law of attraction. Negative, if you think negative, the negative situation will come. If you think positive, the positive situation will come. Okay. Now, what is manifestation? Manifestation is also related with law of attraction. You manifest something, you affirm something. Before going to sleep, you affirm that I am powerful, I am strong. This is affirmation, and you are claiming this a powerful speech about yourself, not about others. You are claiming that you can do this, you know, and you will do this, and you just write it, you just manifest it day by day. There are many methods of manifesting. Manifestation is a powerful method to feel the law of attraction, to get this magic in your life. So the book says a method, a very powerful method of manifesting and want to achieve anything. There are 3 steps. The first step is ask. Ask yourself what you want. You want this or this? No or. I want this or this. You want it, make specific decision. Now I want this badly. And let be clear about it. Then the second step is believe. Believe that you are having this. If you want a job, or just take it a very small situation, that suppose a day you want coffee in the evening. So you are constantly thinking that you will get a coffee from mother will make coffee for you. Sounds very logical, but it happens, and you are constantly thinking about coffee. I will enjoy it, I'm having coffee now. If it's morning, you are having coffee, in evening you are thinking it like that, and then you will see what happens. Just do this. This book says that author is saying that she is expecting something for 7 days, for a week, and it actually happens with her. So this is a miracle. And the third step, the second step is believing that you are having it now. If you are not having it, you just think that you are having it. And then the third step is receiving. After receiving it, what will be your feelings? You'll be joyous, you'll be wondrous about it, about getting it. So this will be your feeling. You're actually feeling. This is all about your brain. This is all about thinking. Sounds very illogical, but belief can do anything. Mind is everything. If your belief power is very powerful, that it will be given by God, 100%. So this is manifestation. And the writer, the writer explains a very beautiful sentence, that we change our television channel, so we change it by remote. And if you want some channel, this channel has specific frequency. You want the channel, you will change the channel by remote. So this is the thought. You have to choose your thought. You want to you want to get positive thought or negative thought, and you are just emitting that frequency. What is frequency? Frequency means if you think positive thoughts constantly for whole day, you're just emitting a powerful frequency out into the universe. And this is something happens, and if you're thinking negative, your aura will become very negative, and universe will actually listen it. I will be late, it means you will be actually late. But if you think that okay, I will be going, this is not too late, I will go there in time, this actually happens. So I will concluding my speech by saying that it's not, action will not do anything. This is wrong. You have to put actions into your thoughts. Like you are just thinking day by day, sitting bed. This won't happen. The author said it. So you have to do action. The author actually said that if you think positive thoughts, the universe or your surrounding will arrange the situations. But you have to take that opportunities or situations that will come into your path. So this is the main point. So you have to do nothing, or you are just thinking, I'm very positive person, I will be thinking like this. This won't happen. Magic or miracle won't happen in your life. The situation will come, but you have to take it very correctly. Thank you. Thank you so much.